Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel guys. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Samsung Pass Connect Verify fingerprint error. So let's start. First thing, you have to go into the Samsung store and now in there you have to go into menu and then updates. There you can see your phone is updated. Your Samsung Pass is update to it up to date to the latest version or not. If not, you have to update the Samsung Pass and then after updating, going to settings. In setting, we have go to the app section and now click on this and then find Samsung Pass by typing on this here. In Samsung Pass, you are going to storage and then there you can clear caches. After clearing caches, we are going to back and then click on this force stop and going to back and then click on the restart your phone. After all of this step you have to take in and click on the restart button. After restarting your phone, you have to open your Samsung Pass again and then continue. All of this step you have to take in. That's how you can come pass through your Samsung Pass and verify fingerprint error. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it and we will catch you in our next video.